Nanake mage hite mudue nurahe dunyavi avileri yeriye numbe nage magene dehame hayavi. We've been grown up to Bollywood music as well, so there's A.R. Rahman, Bacha, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Neha Kakkar. I'm gonna say the whole list.
See baby, ma, italaga madavatena, guru pemaka patalena, duanari manahari sukumali numbatama, italaga madavatena, guru pemaka patalena, duanari manahari sukumali numbatama.
दूंगा लेखा के कॉल और मेरी हालत देख करना तूले मुझसे होता नहीं.
So we never expected this to go this viral, and we are really grateful, especially cross our country and go to cross the border and go beyond. I mean, my mother tongue is Sinhalese. So for the Tamil version, and I also did a Malayalam version because I got a lot of requests. I still haven't done one in Hindi, but I'm hoping to soon. But yes, the Tamil one, a lot of friends of mine helped who knows Tamil, who are Tamil. They helped me get the pronunciation right. But I'm pretty sure it's not 100% right, but they really helped me. And a girl from Kerala helped me for the Malayalam one. So thank you so much for. Well, I just want to travel around because I've never been to India, so that's gonna be my number one thing. Maybe just get into a car and drive around. If I could perform live for you guys, that would be really amazing. My favorite Indian dishes are like puri, so I wanna have puri. Yes, especially because because I changed from accounting to music. Yeah. I mean, that itself was a big decision from my end, and it was a problem for a lot of people. But then I think, what if someone is there listening to this? I think you just have to do what you like and believe in yourself and just give yourself the time you need to grow.